echoes of despair, a cacophony of doubts, whispers of nightmares, struggling to find my place. Lost in the crowd, wrapped in darkness, screaming silent loud. Fragments of shattered dreams scattered on the floor. I'm drowning in the sorrow, craving something more, trying to hold on tight to the flicker of hope, but it slips through my fingers like a frayed rope. Depression's grip, it pulls me under, lost in a world of thunder, but I'm longing to break free and discover who I'm meant to be. Discover who I'm meant to be. Tangled in the web of my own thoughts, haunted by the shadows that can't be fought, pushing away those who care, afraid to let them in. I'm trapped in this cycle, can't seem to begin. Every smile is a facade, every laugh a lie behind the mask. I'm crumbling, asking why can't I escape this prison, this suffocating cell? I'm yearning to break free, to bid this darkness farewell. Depression's grip, it pulls me under, lost in a world of thunder, but I'm longing to break free and discover who I'm meant to be. Depression's grip, it pulls me under, lost in a world of thunder, but I'm longing to break free and discover who I'm meant to be. In the quiet moments of the night, I search for a sign, a glimmer of light, a reason to shine. I won't let this darkness consume me whole. I'll fight for my soul, I don't care if there is a toll.